What's up, everybody? It's your boy Squish Productions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a ballad song trick I came up with. I call it the rodeo. Um, so to start, you're gonna do this. Do it over and under, like so, like that. And you want to spin. Just gonna spin the knife. And then do a chaplain. Just keep spinning like that. After that, do a wrist pass. After that, finish with head bend. So I'm gonna go over that again. So you're gonna do an over and under, like so. Spin, fan. Do a chaplain. Spin around like that, whatever, and then end with a wrist pass. And then you can also end it with a um, hell bent. And yeah, that's how you do the rodeo, as I like to call it. Let me show you one more time. Just goes like that. Finish with a wrist pass, and then yeah, so on. All right, everybody, that's how you do the rodeo. Um, Tune in next time for a trick I might come up with. I don't know. See ya.